In this video, we're going to be checking out MBRP's exhaust offering for the 2021 newer Chevrolet Suburban and GMC Yukon XL. Let's jump under the car and show you what MBRP has to offer. The neat thing is these systems are going to include a front adapter as well, so if you happen to have the 5.3 in it, this system will fit your vehicle. So starting just behind the catalytic converter, obviously MBRP is a compliant system so that your factory cats stay in place, and we're picking it up right here. So I got band clamps for your secure fit, flowing into 3-inch tubing. This utilizes your factory mounting locations, flowing into our high flow muffler, again single in, dual out, into your 2.5-inch tails. Again, factory mounting locations up over the axle. To your quad stainless tips. You also have an option to equip this vehicle with carbon tips as well. So let's get it on the ground. We're going to take it for a drive.